स्वागत है आपका सभी का हमारे चैनल पे जिसका नाम है फिजिकल एजुकेशन फॉर ऑल। हमारे चैनल पे जैसे कि आपको पता है हमने जीके सीरीज चालू किया है, मतलब जनरल नॉलेज करंट अफेयर्स। तो उसके रिगार्डिंग आज का ये वीडियो है 2023 का जो पद्मश्री अवार्ड्स है, पद्म विभूषण अवार्ड्स है और पद्म भूषण अवार्ड्स है, इसके बारे में कल ही मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ होम अफेयर्स से प्रेस नोट जारी हुआ है। तो उसमें हमको कुछ लिस्ट दिया है, तो वो लिस्ट हम आपको बताएंगे। मेरे वीडियो के लिंक में डिस्क्रिप्शन में मैंने लिंक भी दिया है, वहां से आप डाउनलोड भी कर सकते हैं डायरेक्टली। ओके, तो ये आपको जो भी करंट एग्जाम्स है उसमें आपको ये बहुत काम में आएगा और आपको करंट नॉलेज भी मिलेगा। तो आइए देखते हैं हम। सबसे पहले ये प्रेस नोट देखेंगे हम। पद्मा अवार्ड्स, वन ऑफ द हाईएस्ट सिविलियन अवार्ड्स ऑफ द कंट्री, आर conferred in three categories, namely Padma Vibhushan, Padma Bhushan and Padma Shri. Okay. The awards are given in the various discipline fields of activities. For example, arts, social work, public affairs, science and engineering, trade and industry, medicine, literature and education, sports, civil service, etc. So, the Padma Vibhushan is awarded for the exceptional and distinguished services, and Padma Bhushan for distinguished services of order, high order, and Padma Shri for distinguished service in any field. And these awards are announced on the occasion of Republic Day every year. So today is Republic Day, right? Okay. And these awards are conferred by the President of India at the ceremonial function in which are held at Rashtrapati Bhavan, usually around March, April every year. So for the year 2023, the President has approved uh, conferment of 106 Padma Awards, including 3 duo cases. For example, the meaning is in a duo case, the award is counted as a one as per the list below. And the list comprises of 6 Padma Vibhushan, 9 Padma Bhushan, and 91 Padma Shri awards. So 19 of the awardees are women, and the list also includes 2% from the category of foreign NRI, PIO, OCI, and 7 posthumous awardees. Okay. So this is also important in any GK exam or in any exam. They can also ask for the how much women got the Padma Shri awards or Padma awards in 2023. Okay. So now we'll start with the awards. So first is Padma Vibhushan awards. So here are the 6 names. So first award is for Sri Balakrishna Doshi. Field is other architecture, and they are from Gujarat state. Second is Shri Zakir Hussain. Their field is arts and state is Maharashtra. Then from Karnataka, Shri S.M. Krishna for the public affairs. Then from the West Bengal, Shri Dilip Mahalanobis for medicine. That is, and for him it is posthumous. Then after that, Srinivas Vardhan, Science and Engineering, United States of America. Okay. And then Shri Mulayam Singh Yadav, posthumous, that is for public affairs, and he is from Uttar Pradesh. Then 9 Padma Bhushan awards. Shri S.L. Bhairappa for literature and education, and he is from Karnataka state. Then Shri Kumar Mangalam Birla for trade and industry is from Maharashtra. Then Shri Deepak Dhar, the award is for science and engineering, and he is from Maharashtra. Then Mrs. Vani Jairam for arts, she is from Tamil Nadu. Then Swami Chinna GR for other spiritualism, Telangana. Then Miss Suman Kalyanpur for arts, and she is from Maharashtra. Then Shri Kapil Kapoor for literature and education, he is from Delhi. Then Miss Sudha Murthy for social work, she is from Karnataka. And then Shri Kamlesh D. Patel, other spiritualism for Telangana. He is from Telangana. And then 91 Padma Shri awards, I am going to read out now. Uh, If you want this PDF, you can also check from my description box. Here I have provided the link. Okay, so here are the 91 Padma Shri awards. So Dr. Sukama Acharya for spiritualism from Haryana state, Miss uh, Jodaya Bai Baiga for arts from Madhya Pradesh, Sri Premjit Balia arts from Dadra Nagar Haveli and Diu Daman Diu, Miss Usha Barle for arts from Chandigarh, Shri Munshiwar Chandwar for medicine from Madhya Pradesh, Shri Hemant Chauhan for arts from Gujarat, Shri Bhanubai Chitara for arts from Gujarat, Miss Hemoprabha Chutia for arts from Assam, Shri Narendra Chandra Debarma posthumous for public affairs from Tripura, Miss Shubhadra Devi for arts from Bihar, Shri Khadarvalli Dudekula science and engineering from Karnataka. This is for millets. Shri Hemchandra Goswami for arts from Assam, Shri Pratikana Goswami for arts from West Bengal, Shri Radha Charan Gupta for literature and education from Uttar Pradesh, Shri Moda Dugu Vijay Gupta for science and engineering from Telangana, Shri Ahmad Hussain and Shri Muhammad Hussain duo for arts from Rajasthan, Shri Dilshad Hussain for arts from from Uttar Pradesh, Shri Biku Ramji Idate for social work from Maharashtra, Shri C.I. Isak for literature and education from Kerala, Shri Rattam Singh Jaggi for literature and education from Punjab, Shri Bikram Bahadur Jamatia for social work from Tripura, Shri Ramku Wangbe Jaine for social work from Assam, Shri Rakesh Radhesham Junjunwala posthumous for trade and industry from Maharashtra. You all know he is a good trader and ace investor. Shri Ratan Chandrakar for medicine from Andaman Nicobar Islands. Shri Mahipad Kavi for arts from Gujarat. Shri M.M. Kiravani for arts from Andhra Pradesh. Right now, you know that RR Natu Natu song, it got the Academy Award for, so he is M.M. Kiravani. Then after that, Shri Aris Khambata posthumous for trade and industry from Gujarat. Then Shri Parshuram Komaji Khune for arts from Maharashtra. Shri Ganesh Nagappa Krishnaranjana Raga Gara, sorry, for science and engineering, Andhra Pradesh. Shri Magune Charan Konar for arts from Odisha. Shri Anand Kumar for literature and education from Bihar. Shri Arvind Kumar for science and engineering from Uttar Pradesh. Shri Domar Singh Kunwar for arts from Chandigarh. Shri Raisimpur Kurkalang for arts from Meghalaya. Miss Hirabai Lobi for social work from Gujarat. Shri Mulchand Loda for social work from Gujarat. Miss Rani Machay for arts from Karnataka. Shri Ajay Kumar Mandvi for arts from Chhattisgarh. Shri Prabhakar Bhanudas Mande for literature and education from Maharashtra. Shri Gajanan Jagannath Mane for social work from Maharashtra. Shri Antaryami Mishra for literature and education from Odisha. Shri Nadoja Pindipana Halli M for arts from Karnataka. Professor Dr. Mahendra Pal for science and engineering from Gujarat. Shri Uma Shankar Pandey for social work from Uttar Pradesh. Shri Ramesh Parmar and Miss Shanti Parmar duo for arts from Madhya Pradesh. Shri Nalini Parthasarthi for medicine from Telangana, from Puducherry. Shri Hanumanta Rao Pusupu Leti for medicine from Telangana. Shri Ramesh Patange for literature and education from Maharashtra. Miss Krishna Patel for arts from Odisha. Shri K. Kalyan Sundaram Pillai for arts from Tamil Nadu. Shri V.P. Apukuttan Poduval for social work from Kerala. Shri Kapil Dev Prasad for arts from Bihar, Shri S.R.D. Prasad for sports from Kerala, Shri Shah Rashid Amit Ahmad Qadri for arts from Karnataka, Shri C.V. Raju for arts from Andhra Pradesh, Shri Bakshiram for science and engineering from Haryana, Shri Chiruyal K. Raman for others agriculture from Kerala, Shri Miss Sujata Ramdurai for science and engineering from Canada, Shri Abba Reddy Nageswara Rao for science and engineering from Andhra Pradesh, Shri Paresh Bhai Rathwa for arts from Gujarat, Shri B. Ramakrishnan Reddy for literature and education from Telangana, Shri Mangala Kanti Roy for arts from West Bengal, Miss K.C. Ranrema Sanghi for arts from Mizoram, Shri Vadivel Gopal and Shri Masi Sadiyan, this is duo for social work from Tamil Nadu, Shri Manoranjan Sahu for medicine, Uttar Pradesh, Shri Pataya Sahu, this is for agriculture from Odisha, Shri Ritvik Sanyal for arts from Uttar Pradesh, Shri Kota Sachidananda Shastri for arts from Andhra Pradesh, Shri Sankurathi Chandrasekhar for arts from Andhra Pradesh, Shri K. Shanatoiva Sharma for sports from Manipur, Shri Nekram Sharma, this is for others agriculture from Himachal Pradesh, Shri Gurcharan Singh for sports from Delhi, Shri Lakshman Singh for social work from Rajasthan, Shri Lakshman Singh for social work from Rajasthan, Shri Mohan Singh literature and education from Jammu and Kashmir, Shri Thonaujaram Chauba Singh for public affairs from Manipur, Shri Prakash Chandra Sood for literature and Andhra Pradesh, Shri Nehuno Sauri for arts from Nagaland, Shri Janam Singh, Dr. Janam Singh Roy for literature and education from Jharkhand, Shri Koshok Tikse Nawang Chamba Sanjrin from other spiritualism from Ladakh, Shri S. Subraman from others archaeology from Karnataka, Shri Moa Subham from for arts from Nagaland, Shri Palam Kalyan Sundar for social work from Tamil Nadu, Ms. Ravina Ravi Tandon for arts from Maharashtra, Shri Vishwanath Prasad Tiwari for literature and education from Uttar Pradesh, Shri Dhaniram Toto for literature and education from West Bengal, Shri Tularam Upreti for others agriculture from Sikkim, Shri Gopal Samu Veluchami for medicine from Tamil Nadu, Shri Ishwar Chaddar Verma for medicine from Delhi, Miss Chumi Nariman Wadia for arts from Maharashtra, Shri Karma Wangchu Posthumous for social work from Arunachal Pradesh, and Shri Gulam Muhammad Jaz for arts from Jammu and Kashmir. Okay, in case of duo, the award is counted as one. Okay, so friends, this was the list for Padma Awards for 2023. I hope if you like this video, please share to your friends and family. It is very good for general knowledge and current affairs. Okay, so if you like the video, please share to your friends and subscribe to our channel. And one more for this, if I mistakenly taken some names, if I pronounce wrongly, so please excuse me. And thank you for watching the video. Jai Hind.